Ratios and proportion. Ratio and proportions are explained majorly based on the fractions. When a fraction is represented in the form of a to b, then it is a ratio, whereas a proportion states that two ratios are equal. Here, a and b are any two integers. The ratio and the proportions are the two important concepts, and it is a foundation to understand the various concepts in the mathematics as well as in the science. In our daily life, we use the concept of the ratio and the proportion, such as in the business, while dealing with money or while cooking any dish, etc. In other words, proportion is a part, share, or the number considered in a comparative relation to a whole. Proportion is a value that expressing how many times of something. Therefore, when you consider a percentage, what you have to do for it is convert into the decimal number and just add it to the number which is supposed to be multiplied. Let me give you an example of a percentage. So when you say 1% of something, it is 1 over 100, 1 divided by 100. Okay? So 1% of 100 is 100 times you convert to the decimal 0.01, meaning 1. Okay? What about 10%? 10% is 1 over 10. 1 divided by 10 equal 0.1, right? And what is the 10% of 100? Meaning 100 times 0.1 equal 10, right? What about 0.1%? 0.1% is 1 over 1000. So if you say 0.1% of 100 is 0.1. Okay, next one. There is a expression you can find out how many percentage of something. Okay, so when you want to know percentage of something, let me say a percent, you want to know the percentage of something is required by partial amount divided by whole amount times 100. This is another way of a definition of a percentage, okay? So whole amount is a standard, for example 1, and the partial amount is less than 1. So let me say this is a 1 liter water, and in it there is a 100 milliliter salt. Okay, and since this is the percentage, you have to multiply by 100. This is all about definition. Okay. Likewise, by using this formula, you can modify it, and you can also acquire the whole amount or partial amount. Let me do it. Whole amount. Okay, so let me make the formula of a partial amount. Okay, first of all, 8% equal partial amount. Partial amount divided by whole amount times 100. So you what can I say? You move these guys to the left side. Okay, so to do that, 8% times whole amount divided by 100. Okay, equal partial amount. So to make it simple, partial amount is the expressed as the whole amount and times 8% divided by 100. This is about the formula of the partial amount. Likewise, let's find out the formula of the total amount, whole amount. So whole amount, whole is expressed as okay. Sorry. Partial amount times 100 over 8%. This is it.